Before hitting the road for a long journey, it's wise to give your car some TLC. So in today's video, we've compiled a list of essential checks to perform before embarking on a long road trip. Let's dive in. Step 1. Fluids and levels. First up, check your fluids. These are your car's lifeblood. Low or dirty fluids can cause serious problems on the road, leaving you stranded. Engine oil, pull out the dipstick, wipe it off, reinsert it fully, then pull it out again and check the level. It should be between the minimum and maximum marks on the dipstick. Also, look at the oil itself. Is it clean, or does it look dirty and gritty? If it's dirty or low, top up or get an oil change before your trip. Coolant. This keeps your engine from overheating. Check the reservoir. The coolant level should be between the minimum and maximum lines when cold. If it's low, top it up with the appropriate coolant for your vehicle. Brake fluid. Low brake fluid could mean trouble. It's crucial for safe braking. Check the reservoir. If it's low, have your brakes inspected for leaks or other issues before driving. Transmission fluid. If you have an automatic transmission, check the fluid when the engine is running and warm. Park on a level surface, shift into each gear, and check the level on the dipstick. It should be within the safe operating range. Windshield washer fluid. You'll need this for visibility, especially when there's a sudden change in weather. Top it up if necessary. Step 2. Tires and pressure. Inspect your tires. Because nobody wants a flat in the middle of nowhere, check the pressure of all your tires, including the spare. The recommended pressure is usually listed on a sticker on your driver's side door or in your owner's manual. Use a tire pressure gauge and adjust the pressure accordingly. Tread depth. Good tread is essential for grip and handling. Use a coin or a tread gauge to measure the depth. If it is worn down to the wear bars, it is time to replace the tire. Overall condition. Look for cracks, bulges, or objects stuck in the tires. Any issues could become dangerous during a long journey. Step 3. Battery check. Long drives can put a strain on a weak battery. If your battery is more than 2 years old, it's a good idea to have it tested at an auto shop before the trip. Make sure the battery terminals are clean and tight. If they're loose or corroded, it could cause problems starting your car. Step 4. Lights and wipers. Being seen and seeing clearly is crucial. Test all the exterior lights, headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights. Ask someone to help you, or use your car's interior mirror to see the rear lights. Check that your windshield wipers are in good condition and that they don't streak or skip across the windshield. Replace them if needed. Step 5. Emergency and toolkit. Always expect the unexpected. Pack your emergency essentials. Spare tire, jack and lug wrench. These are a must if you have a flat tire. Make sure you know how to use the jack. It helps if you bring a jumper cable too, in case your battery dies. Flashlight with extra batteries, useful for various situations. First aid kit for minor injuries on the road. Basic toolkit, a small toolkit with a screwdriver, pliers, and wrenches can come in handy. Tire inflator or a sealant can help you fix a flat tire temporarily. Drinking water, snacks, and a phone charger for your comfort and safety. Step 6. Navigation and documents. Know where you're going and be prepared on paper to make sure to update your GPS or smartphone maps and plan your route. Download offline maps if you're traveling far. In case you lose cell phone signal, better to be prepared than be sorry. Likewise, do not forget to bring along your driver's license, registration, and insurance documents. And there you have it, a road trip checklist to keep you prepared and confident on the road. Remember, A little preparation goes a long way in making your trip safe and worry-free. Do you have any additional tips? Share them with us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more helpful car content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.